Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to take a look at the Spigen Tough Armor case for the OnePlus 8 Pro. I have a black version, and take a look at this box. Very simple, made in South Korea. And let's go ahead and take the case out of the box. Nothing else is in the box. Slide the case out, and you have the instruction how to install and how to fix the kickstand if the kickstand came off. And it seems like you can take the black plastic, the hard plastic, off of the TPU rubber. Now look at this case. It has a matte finish, soft to the touch, no fingerprint. And look at this kickstand. It is a bit flimsy, but when you snap it in place, it locked in place, and it's not going to come off. And look at the camera cutout. And wow, look at this. This is new. This is the first time I see in the case that have like some kind of memory foam on the back of the case. And look at the Spigen logo. The yellow foam, it is soft and smooth to the touch. Okay, let's go ahead and put the case on. I have a beautiful blue OnePlus 8 Pro here. Look at that. And let me see. So just put it on here like this, snap it in place, and done. It fit very nicely. And look at that camera protection. Look at that. And this is how the case look with a blue OnePlus 8 Pro. And look at the lip. Excuse of the dirt. It has somewhat minimal lip protection. And it has like a slightly cut out right here for the ear speaker. I'm sorry about all the dust. And you have the button for the volume rocker. Still clicky and easy to press. And you have the power button right here. Same, still clicky. And let's test out the alert slider. Easy to access. Now let's test the wireless charging. Still works just fine. The problem that I see with this case is that it is a thick case, and it will act like an insulator. And this wireless charger, it can output up to 30 watts, and it will generate a lot of heat. And since this case is thick, it will trap the heat inside and cause the phone to heat up. The wireless charger, it gets so hot that they put a fan inside the charger itself. But if you put the case on, it will not cool down the phone as fast as without the case. So that is something that you want to keep in mind. And now let's test out the tempered glass. How friendly, how tempered glass friendly is this case? I bought this tempered glass on eBay for like about $5, and it is full adhesive. Let me put this on, line this up, and wow, it lined up perfectly. So you have to install the tempered glass just right, otherwise it will not work with the case. as you can see. Right at the edge of the case. I already have a pre-installed screen protector on my OnePlus 8, as you can see right here. It is very, very close to the edge of the case. Sorry about the dust. So you have to install the tempered glass just right, otherwise it will not compatible with the case. Thank you for watching, and there's a giveaway going on right now. If you want to enter the giveaway, click on the link somewhere right here. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.